In the last lesson, you learned how to add numbers with sum within 5. Today, I'm going to be teaching you addition of numbers with sum less than 10, which means the total amount that you get will not be up to 10. Here is Akin. He's kicking his ball so happily. There is another ball in the air, and we have 5 other balls on the field. How many balls can you see in the picture? There are one ball. Let's write that out. 1. There's another ball in the air. 1 ball. It's not 1 ball. And there are 5 balls clustered together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. How many balls are there in the picture? It's 1 plus 1 plus 5 balls. Counting them together, because plus means count together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 balls in the picture. This is Gloria. She's preparing for her final exams in the university. She has 5 of her books on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books on the table. 5 books. She has some of her books under the table. How many books are under the table? 1, 2, 3. She has 3 books under the table. How many books does Gloria have? She has 5 plus 3 books. What is 5 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books. This is the part where we count ourselves, drawing circles or strokes. Why don't you get your counting sheet or your jotter or your notebook for counting, while I also get mine? Here we go. Have you gotten yours? So now we add these numbers by counting. This time around, I'm going to be drawing strokes, a vertical line, not circles like in the other example. First thing you do, you count the first number, which is 1. You're going to draw 1 line. The second number, 3. I'll draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget I said always leave space between your counting objects so that you don't draw them on each other. Draw the third number, count the third number, which is 2. 1, 2. Now, plus means count together. It is time to count our lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals 6. Number 2, 4 plus 2 plus 3. We count the first number, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second number, which is 2. 1, 2. And the third number, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to count together. We count our numbers together. 1. Notice that I'm slanting or bending this line so that it doesn't look like my original lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 2 plus 3 gives us 9.